how to make your wedding bouquet with fake flowers look so good. If I told you that I made my wedding bouquet, would you believe me? Because I did. Yep, this beauty right here was designed by me using fake flowers. And let me tell you, it turned out even more stunning than I imagined. Today I'm going to show you how. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Manis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog City of Creative Dreams and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. The best part about making my wedding bouquet is that it's affordable and I get to keep it forever. Step 1, know what you want. Before you even pick up a flower, you need to know the vibe you're going for. I knew right away that I didn't want traditional round bouquet, and I definitely didn't want real flowers. I wanted something bold and unique. If you're still figuring it out, dive into Pinterest, look closely at the flower types, and start pinning your favorites. That's exactly what I did when I found the photo. This one on June Bug Weddings totally inspired the bouquet of my flowers. Step 2, buy your greenery. Greenery is the hero of bouquets. Some mix it throughout their flowers, but I did it in a different way. I used 2 large monstera, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but I used monstera leaves from A Floral as a bold background. Whether you like eucalyptus, ferns, or something tropical like me, greenery sets the tone and texture of your bouquet. Next step. Step 3, purchase your flowers. Now this is the fun part. I sourced my flowers from 2 places, AliExpress and Michael's Craft Store. If you shop on AliExpress, just give yourself time. It can take a while to ship. Just also make sure to choose a seller with great reviews and lots of orders. That way you're more likely to get quality flowers. And as for Michael's, don't sleep on their weekly floral sales and coupons. I scored some gorgeous small bouquets at a percentage off, which saved me more than the buy one get one offer. Step 4, buy a ribbon. For a polish finish, I picked up champagne satin ribbon on Amazon. It was $14 for a 100-yard roll, which I honestly didn't need that much, but I got it just in case, and it was last minute. But it arrived super fast and was the perfect elegant touch against the green stem. But also check out the dollar store or Michael's Craft Store for cheaper prices. Step 5, assemble your bouquet. Okay, this is my favorite part. I started by laying down the monstera leaves, then added the peony flowers from AliExpress, and finished it off with a smaller bouquet from Michael's. There was no glue needed. I just wrapped it up in my champagne ribbon and sealed it at the end with a small safety pin. Easy, secure, and gorgeous. Bonus, one thing I wish I thought about doing was hiding a little fan in the back of the flowers so I could stay cool in the heat. I still can't believe how amazing this bouquet turned out. It looks beautiful with my dress and it matched my wedding vibe perfectly. It didn't cost me a fortune, and best of all, it's lightweight and I get to keep it forever. So tell me, are you team fake flowers or team real flowers? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and if this video gave you some wedding bouquet inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss on anything. I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!